Today at the bank, an old lady asked me to check her balance, so I pushed her over. You're welcome. So we just picked up a rooster, a little husband for our girls. We'll see what they think of him. His name's gonna be Hugh, and he's moving into the mansion right now.
What do you girls think?
What's up, baby? Let mommy do it though. So we want to go in so they don't come out. What's he saying? What's he saying?
It's a boy.
Ooh. This is your new home.
There's probably some eggs in there, eh?
Yeah, probably. I just took it down. What do you think, buddy? These your new ladies?
Oh, she's pecked them.
Hopefully they learn to like you. So he's a Polish crested rooster. So we'll see. Hopefully they all get along. Good. Come on, girls.
Come on, you. Show the boss. Calm down a bit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It is a hot one.
What are you yelling for?
Oh, here he comes.
Buddy? Hey, big guy.
They're all laying. I got bit in the arm.
More eggs?
Yeah, they're all laying.
Good.
So the straggler's gone. One of the ones that get killed, so we're really only down one egg.
1 egg, 2 chickens.
And the one that lays the big eggs still lays the big ones.
He's a big baby. Big chicken. Well, rooster. Scared. Come here, babies. Come on. Come on.
So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna move this here fence outside of the cage, cut a hole in it, so then the chickens can just go in from there, but they'll have a bigger space to walk around out here. So it's out front like here, there's still a space here where the driveway's not at. So we're gonna do it right out there. Eventually this is gonna make its way not like kind of in the driveway, but it's just no sense in moving it yet because we're gonna get more land cleared that way and stuff. So we will eventually move it, but for now we're at least gonna get the cage moved in front so they have way more room, at least a bit more room in there. We may even set up some fencing maybe later this week, like another area even back behind it or something, right? Like a run back there, but we'll see. For now we're gonna get that out there, especially now that we got Hugh here. We gotta make his mansion a little bigger, right? Be careful we don't wreck that mesh.
Yeah. Yeah. Hold on. Hold on. Seems so much bigger.
We don't want to tear it up.
Yeah.
I could go to that side. It's heavier. Looks like you get a lot more stuff there. See the door. That might be good.
Yeah.
Nope. Lift up.
down with you in there. I was. So now we have to find a way to open it and just...
If we go this way a bit, I'll pull this way. Till it's lined up, tell me when.
Yes?
Like, is it lined up with this end wall?
Yeah.
So we're going to do a little upgrade here and add a window to this side. So in the winter it'll bring in some heat, and it'll also give them some light whenever they're locked in here.
So this video is brought to you today by Ariat, a new channel sponsor. This shirt here is from Ariat. It's an awesome little shirt. It's really lightweight, it flows, it's really nice for the summer. So I have this shirt and a pair of boots that you can see in the previous video. The last couple of videos I was wearing, they look like cowboy boots. They're work boots actually. They're really awesome. I'm obsessed with them. I wear them all the time now. They work with like any clothing item that I'm wearing. So if I'm wearing jeans, they look good. If I'm wearing shorts, they look good. If I'm wearing a skirt, they look good. Today I'm only wearing my sandals because it's really hot out, so I'm just kind of like airing out my feet. But you can see it in previous videos, and the link to all the clothing that we have and to the Ariat site is in the description below. So awesome company, check it out in the description below.
Watch out! Watch out!
He just gets in the way.
Seeing the coop from a whole other view.
Yeah. I just have some wire and I'm down here fixing some of the holes. There's just the fence is kind of old, so there's little holes throughout it at the bottom here. So I'm just fixing them up with this wire.
Well, there's our little window. Give the ladies something to look at, get a little heat in there in the winter, and give them some light when we lock them up in there for at night time and stuff. Gives them a little something anyway, nothing special, but it'll be all right. They'll like it.
Well, we finished siding the front of the coop and we reused those pine boards we had laying around, so that was a good way to use them up and it looks a lot better. I also built, you'll have seen, I built this little shelter for them because they were outside. They like to be outside in the grass, but we don't have any shade in this area because there's no roof on here. So I just built them a little shelter so they can kind of get snug in the dirt where it's cool and be in the shade, and they loved that today. They really enjoyed playing in that. We also cut a hole in the fence so that we could attach it to the coop so they can come in and out as they please, and they have a much bigger run now that we pulled it outside. So then we rocked all around the bottom of it so no foxes or anything can dig and go underneath and get them.
There's stuff up here on the top too, like we've always had that, but some
Yeah.
people have mentioned about throwing something over there, but we already have that netting.
Yeah, it's always been there. You maybe just didn't see it in any videos.
Chicken wire.
So that'll keep any birds out or anything like that. We're gonna build just one little corner here for the rooster so he can have his own space for a little while and he'll have a bin to go into.
Probably just half it.
Half it?
Yeah.
So we're gonna build a little section, a half section or whatever, and put a bin in there for him with some hay so he can sleep in it and just kind of get comfortable with the girls instead of just being thrown in, because they didn't like him very much. So we'll just give him his own little space till they get used to him.
You'll finish siding it too soon.
Yep.
Just, it's really hot now, we're starving.
Oh, it's like 35, so we have to.
Celsius.
Yeah.
So.
Need to take a break.
Cue the Fahrenheit.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you in the next one.
See ya.